Carl Jung's exploration of the psyche reveals that the image we present to the world, the persona, is merely a mask, a necessary construct shaped by social demands. While it helps us function, the danger arises when we mistake this mask for our true self. The persona organizes, protects, and facilitates relationships, yet it is only a boundary between what we show and what we hide. When we over-identify with it, we lose touch with our deeper essence, leading to emptiness, a sense of being present in the world, but absent from ourselves. The journey to self-awareness begins by recognizing this mask, not to destroy it, but to see it as a bridge rather than a destination. Beneath the persona lies the shadow, the repository of everything we deny or repress, fears, impulses, hidden strengths, and suppressed truths. It emerges in uncontrolled reactions, self-sabotage, or moments of unexpected creativity. The shadow is not an enemy, but an exiled part of ourselves, seeking acknowledgement. Jung warned that ignoring it only grants it silent control over our lives. Integrating the shadow means facing it with honesty, not to indulge or suppress it, but to reclaim lost wholeness. This confrontation is uncomfortable but necessary, dissolving superficial moral binaries and deepening our humanity. As we reconcile these inner opposites, two guiding archetypes emerge: the anima, the inner feminine in men, and the animus, the inner masculine in women. These figures mediate between the conscious and unconscious, shaping how we love, create, and think. A man rejecting his anima may project idealized or hostile images onto women, while a woman denying her animus might struggle with self-assertion or rigid rationality. Recognizing these archetypes transforms relationships from projections of unmet needs into genuine encounters. Embracing both masculine and feminine energies within allows intuition and reason, strength and surrender to coexist. The call to deeper integration often comes through the hero archetype, the part of us that refuses complacency and confronts chaos. Myths of heroes battling dragons or crossing deserts mirror our psychic struggles, facing repressed fears, enduring existential voids, and dismantling the ego's illusions. The hero's journey is not about pride but necessity. It demands courage to heed an inner call. Often amid crisis, symbolic deaths, failures, losses precede rebirth, as the old ego crumbles to make way for a truer self. Yet the hero does not walk alone. The Great Mother archetype follows, embodying primal origins, both nurturing and devouring. She represents the womb of creation and the inevitability of return. Appearing as earth, ocean, or ancestral goddesses, reconnecting with her is not regression, but a surrender to life's cyclical nature. Her paradox reveals that only by accepting endings can rebirth occur. In this surrender, the divine child emerges, a symbol of latent potential and renewal. It is the promise of the self, Jung's concept of wholeness, uniting all opposites. The child represents not literal innocence, but the psyche's capacity to begin anew, even after desolation. The self is the culmination of this journey, the archetype of totality. It is not perfection but the harmonious integration of all parts, light and shadow, persona and shadow, anima and animus. It appears in dreams as sacred symbols, mandalas, wise elders, or luminous centers. Encountering the self requires ego surrender, a yielding to a deeper order. Jung's work reminds us that life's goal is not happiness, but symbols, dreams, and recurring patterns continue to guide us. If an archetype resonates, whether the shadow's turmoil, the hero's call, or the child's hope, it signals a step toward integration. The responsibility is to stay awake, to listen, and to courageously face what arises. For in these depths lie not answers, but transformations, subtle shifts in perception, richer relationships, and a truer voice. The map is within the path, is yours to walk.